We're going to explore how to manage categories and attributes inside Elevate, Laravel e-commerce, and Multivendor marketplace. We'll begin right from the admin dashboard, where you get a clear overview of everything happening in your online store. From the dashboard, navigate to the category menu. Here, you'll find two important submenus, categories and attributes. Inside the attributes section, Elevate allows you to create two types of attributes, text attributes and color attributes. Adding these is quick and effortless. Simply click to create, give the attribute a name, and save it. These attributes help you make your product listings more detailed and professional. Next, head over to the categories section. You'll notice that some categories and subcategories are already created. To add a new one, click on the Add New Category button. A form will appear where you can provide the category name, write a description, upload an icon, thumbnail, and banner, and choose a parent category. This parent selection lets you decide whether the new entry will be a main category or a subcategory. If needed, you can also assign attributes directly to the category for better product organization. Once you are done, press the Submit button, and your new category will be created instantly. You can edit or delete any existing category or subcategory whenever you need, giving you complete control over your store's structure. That's all for managing categories and attributes inside Elevate. Stay tuned, more videos showcasing powerful Elevate features are coming soon.